Hello everyone. Today we'll deal with the English writing skill, that is letter writing. So letter writing, there are two type of letter writing, that is formal and one is informal. Formal is what? Formal means to write for the business or professional purpose, and that will be very in a simple language, that is for the government purpose or business purpose. And informal letter is what we call for friends and families or relatives. Here is a personal communication, no bond, no restriction over here of writing a letter. Here major is a casual and emotional tone of writing a letter. So today we'll deal with the formal letter. So what is a formal letter? A formal letter is a letter written for an official purpose, is known as a formal letter. Such letters are written for information, inquiry, placing order, collecting dues, selling products, lodging complaints, applying for jobs, etc. So such letter is also serve as a record for future references. So what is formal letter is been there? That is, this letter is written for as an official purpose. So for example, like if you want to give for any complaints or applying for the job, or you want any inquiry about some particular place, or collecting something from placing some order from some of the place, so this entire things comes under the official purpose. So this is what we call up as an formal letter. Now formal letter, the format of formal letter is this entire things will come up in the formal letter, that is sender details, date, receiver details, salutation, subject, body, complimentary closure, name and signature, sign. So this is one format which we are seeing up over here, that is a sender's address. Sender address should not more than 3 to 4 lines. Then you have to leave one line, then you write the date, again you have to leave one line, then to the designation of the receiver. Now sender address, sender means whom we are, that is I am sending a letter, so my address will be coming up over here, and here will be not more than stretching 4 to 5 lines, that is 6 to 7 lines, like the entire, like behind this, opposite this, these things will not come. Very short address will be there in these lines. And later on, the designation of a receiver. Receiver means to whom we are sending the letter, like for example the manager, the chairman, the person authority, etc, etc. So this designation will write of that person, and in short we'll write the address of that receiver. Next is, again you have to leave one line, and I will write the subject. Subject will be very short, that is 4 to 5 words only, and the subject you can easily get from the question itself. Then you have to leave again one line, and you will write the salutation part, that is respected sir. Then your letter starts up here, and the letter main body part will be again including 3 paragraphs. First paragraph will be an introduction, second will be a main body, third will be the conclusion. Then you leave one line again, and you end up with the letter that is saying thank you, thanking you, and then again you have to leave 2 lines, yours truly or faithfully, then signature. Signature here means your first initial name you have to write it up. So to have, this is a new format, a block format which we are having up, this entire things will come up in the left side alignment. So one will see one question, I'll just have it up with you. That is, a question is, write a letter to the corporator of your area complaining about garbage container that has not been cleared. So this is one question which we'll just practice for this formal letter. So whenever the question comes, easily we come to know that is a formal or informal, like complaining or talking about some inquiry, like this the question comes up, we say directly this will be the formal letter. Now whom to write the letter? This is, we are writing to the corporator. For what reason? For complaining about the garbage container that has not been cleared. So here I am having one like format of how to write. Now see, the address which I wrote up over here, 4 to 5 lines it has been there, then leaving one line. See the date format, 24th June 2020 will make it up over here. That is why we are writing up. We will not write it up 24/6/2020, but the month we have to specify over here. So this is a new format which we have to write it up the date. Then you will write to the corporator, Shastrinagar, Andheri, Mumbai. What is the subject? That is, what is the purpose of writing the letter? That is overflowing garbage container in Shastrinagar. As I wrote in the address, Shastrinagar is in my area, so I will written up over here. That is our area. That is name of the area is Shastrinagar. So respected sir. Now here we start up with the paragraph. The first is introduction. Introduction. See how it has written. I am a resident of Shanti Niketan located on DE Road. I would like to draw your attention to the problem of garbage collection in a locality. So this is one introduction part over here, that who I am and what is my problem. Now next is second major part. Here the problem faced by myself or my entire area. The garbage container has not been cleared for the past 1 week. The container has been overflowing and the garbage has got scattered all over the road. It has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes, flies and other insects. This poses a major health hazard to all the residents in our area. The foul odor makes it impossible to breathe freely. So this is the entire problem I wrote, what I am facing in that particular area, that is because of overflowing of garbage container. And from how long it is in that, from past 1 week, and what are the problem I have facing. I have written my problems in the second paragraph. The next is last is the conclusion. That will be the requesting part will come up over here. Like, I therefore request you to make arrangement to get the container cleared immediately. This is one my request, short request to the authority person. So I have to leave one line and thanking you. You have to leave 2 lines and yours faithfully, the name of the person. That is first initial name we'll write it up as I wrote it over here is Raj. Now see this while reading the main body, that is a 3 paragraph which I wrote. Here whenever you are changing to the next paragraph, you have to simply leave 1 line. You will not make it up any specifying showing the paragraph, next paragraph by just leaving some gap in the starting 4 fingers line space over there. But you have to simply leave 1 line and start up from the alignment itself, showing the next paragraph. So this is a new format of the letter writing. That is what we call up as a block format. So today we have dealt with the formal letter. Okay. So first we have seen about the writing skill, that is letter writing. So we have seen letter writing 2 types, letter formal and informal. Formal letter is to whom to write for business purpose, and informal is like friends and families or relatives. Formal letter is to whom to write, that is our official purpose. We are writing this letter for complaining, for applying job, for any inquiring or placing some order, and this is useful for the future references as an record. We called up as an formal letter. So that 8 format in while writing the formal letter, these 8 things should be there in the letter writing. So here which is been the format, it is been, this is the way which we will write it up the letter, that is sender address, date, destination. This is one format which you are able to see, the new format of writing a letter. So this we have dealt up, just shown with one example of writing one question and the format of writing the one letter. Okay, so this session will ended up over here. As we have seen today is a letter writing format of only the formal one. In next session we'll deal with the informal one. Okay, thank you.